Wait a sec. Before you scroll, check this out. If you're wondering whether it's worth it, yes, it absolutely is. So many users have given it 5 stars. And after testing it, I see why. Seriously, don't miss it. Click the link in the description and thank me later. Wait a sec. Before you scroll, check this out. I wasn't sure at first, but after trying it, I get the hype. It's one of those products that just works. Efficient, clean, and well-reviewed everywhere. You can find all the details in the description. Go take a look before it's gone.
Hey friends, you need to see this. Trust me, it's worth it. I've seen tons of products online, but this one stands out. It's simple, well-made, and the results speak for themselves. Thousands of positive ratings don't lie. Go see it for yourself. The link's right there in the description.
Yo, I just found something everyone's talking about lately. I wasn't sure at first, but after trying it, Wait a sec. Before you scroll, check this out. If you're wondering whether it's worth it,